How to remove background music in Openshot. If your video has background music you want to remove, follow this video to remove it completely. Locate the audio track for background music on your timeline. Select the audio clip and press delete to remove it entirely. If background music is embedded in the video itself, right-click the clip and choose separate audio, then delete the separated audio track. Alternatively, you can reduce the audio volume by selecting the audio clip and adjusting the volume slider in the Properties panel. Keep your voiceover or essential sound separate from background music for easy control. Do you prefer videos with or without background music? Let me know about it in the comments below. And remember to always save your project after audio edits. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.